In this session, we are going to discuss the types of ignition system. In the last class, we have already discussed what is ignition and why it is done in SI engine. What are the basic requirements of the ignition system? Okay, now types of ignition system. There are basically three types of ignition system. One is called battery coil ignition system. Another is called magneto coil ignition system. Third is electronic ignition system. So we'll discuss one by one. So let us take up battery coil ignition system. Thereafter we will take up magneto coil ignition system, then electronic ignition system also, that I will take up. Okay, so first of all let us take up battery coil ignition system. Okay, see, this is basically battery coil ignition system. Okay, so let us nomenclature the system. That is, this is called cam. Okay, these are contact breaker. This is condenser. This is earthing. This is battery. Okay, this is ignition switch. Okay, then this is basically primary coil. And this is secondary coil. This is distributor. It is going to the cylinders. Okay, from here it is going to the cylinders. This is cylinders. Cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, and cylinder number. Okay, so this is the schematic diagram of battery coil ignition system. As the name is there, see, battery is there, and coil means primary coil may have the 100 turns, and secondary coil may be more than 10,000 turns. And when the ignition switch is on, primary coil and secondary coil through this high voltage near about 8,000 volt to 20,000 volt goes to the distributor, and that distributor, through the distributor, it goes to the number of cylinder, different cylinders. So cylinder may be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So this figure is self-explanatory. How does it work? That by the help of this figure you can explain. Okay. Now let us say what are the advantages? What are the advantages of battery coil ignition system? Okay. Say, first of all, this system is cheaper system. Okay. And number 2, that is very important. That means high intensity of a spark, at low speed. Okay. High intensity of a spark at the low speed. When the speed is also low, there also it can produce high intensity of a spark. That is feature of this one. Number 3, see, battery means it occupies more space, so it is a problem. But cheaper one means system is cheaper one does not require too much maintenance. Does not require too much maintenance. Okay. Next point is, see, spark timing. Spark timing can be changed easily. Spark timing can be changed easily with the intensity of a spark. And it is used in buses or cars. Okay. So what are the advantages of battery coil ignition system? Battery is there. By the help of battery, ignition is started, and through the primary and secondary coil it goes to the distributor, and from the distributor it goes in multi-cylinder engines. So what are the advantages of this one? See, remember, we are talking the ignition system for SI engine only. There is no CI engine ignition system, as I have already explained in last class. So advantages of battery coil ignition system, that is, this is a cheaper system because it contains the battery only. High intensity of a spark at low speed. When the speed is low also, that spark is produced. Does not require too much of maintenance because battery is there and system is not very complicated. Okay. Spark timing can be changed easily with the intensity of a spark. Okay. Spark timing can be changed easily with the intensity of a spark. Okay. So intensity of a spark, that spark timing can be changed easily. Used in buses and cars. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantages are, see here, since a battery is there, the system is heavy. Okay, system is heavy. Occupies too much space. Okay, and cannot be started if battery is discharged. That is very, very important point. That is the drawback. Okay. So this is all about your battery coil ignition system. So let us sum up what we have studied in this class. So there are 3 types of ignition system in SI engine. One is battery coil ignition system, another is magneto coil ignition system, third is electronic ignition system. Okay. So we will discuss one by one. So let us take up first is battery coil ignition system. Remember, all these systems are only for SI engines, no CI engine. Okay, name is itself spark ignition. So this diagram, see, this is contact breaker, and through the cam it is applied. Condenser is here, and this one battery is available due to ignition switches, current flows, and due to primary coil and secondary coil, current high voltage is produced and it is going to the distributor, and from the distributor it is going to the cylinders. Okay, so what are the advantage of this one? It consists of battery only, so it is cheaper one. High intensity of a spark is possible at even at the low speed. Low speed of the engine also that is possible. Does not require too much of maintenance. It does not require, and spark timing can be changed easily with the intensity of a spark. So, okay, so spark timing can be changed here and used in buses and cars. That is applications also, and these are the advantages. And what are the disadvantages of battery coil ignition system? System is heavy, occupies too much of space, cannot be started if battery discharge. Okay, so that is the greatest, this point cannot be started if battery is discharged. So that ignition problem will be there in SI engine. So that is the greatest disadvantage of this engine. And magneto coil ignition system I will discuss in next class. Thank you.